Okay, so welcome to this video. This is an updated video from a video I did previously that got a pretty good amount of views, and people responded and said they liked the video and it was very helpful. So welcome to this video. Welcome to KCMG Marketing. My name is Keith Carpenter, and right now I'm going to show you exactly how to exclude the visits that you make to your website from showing up on your Google Analytics. Okay, so if you're using Google Analytics, you know that it tracks all the visitors that come in, and it tracks pretty much everything they do, how they found you, the keywords, all that stuff. But the important thing is, we don't want your visits to your website to show up, okay? We don't want your employees' visits to your website to show up. We don't want anyone that's working on your website to show up. And people are going to be going to your website a lot that really we don't want showing up in there. So I'm going to show you right now how to stop that from happening with just a couple clicks of the mouse. It's very easy to do, and this is the updated version of Google Analytics. The old video was the previous version. So without further ado, let's head into my browser where I have Google. So I'm going to head over there right now. So I'm just going to go to google.com/analytics. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in up here in the upper right hand corner. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and enter my login information. Enter my password. And we're going to sign in. Okay, so now we're inside Analytics, and we have the websites here on the left that you have your Analytics installed on. And then in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see that the admin button is right here. Okay, and I think this new interface is actually easier to use, and it's more intuitive. So click on the admin button right here in the upper right. Click on the website that you would like to set the filter that you're going to be setting to stop your IP address from showing up. Okay, and then up above here, you're going to see there's a filters button right next to the users. You want to click on filters. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this button right here that has a plus sign that says new filter. Okay, that's going to give us the ability to go ahead and add this information in. Now, what you want to do first of all is name the filter. Okay, so if it's home computer, okay, or Keith's home computer or Bob's home computer or whatever. Predefined filter, we're going to leave that radio button checked. Exclude, we're going to leave that, and we're going to click on this drop down here in the middle, and we're going to click on traffic from the IP addresses, okay, that are equal to, and then we're going to go ahead right here and we're going to enter in the IP address for that particular network. And as you can see down here, it shows you, what the IP address is going to look like. Now, if you don't know what your IP address is, go up to your browser, open up a new tab, go to the website whatismyip.com. Okay, and just by going to that website right there, boom, pops up. Okay, there's your IP address right underneath that black box. That's how you do it. So now you take that information from whatismyip and go back over to Google Analytics, and then you're going to enter that IP address in here. Okay, so I'm just going to enter in just a dummy one here. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to click on the website profile that you're adding the filter to, and you want to click on the add button here in the middle and move it over to the right. What that does is applies the filter to that particular website profile. So from now on, when you click the save button, any visits made to your website from this particular IP address or network, it could be a library, it could be somewhere you go to it could be your local Starbucks. It's going to grab it and say, listen, don't show these visitors. These visitors are to be excluded. And then you just go ahead and click on the save button right here. And one thing important to note is that it only works for the visitors moving forward. So it doesn't go back and exclude all the visits from months before from your analytics, but it will stop them from moving forward. So that's how you create a filter. Very, very easy to do. Play around inside here because there's a lot of information in analytics. It's a really, really intense program, but the basics of it are very easy to understand and wrap your hands around. The pre-setup reports that Analytics has in here are great, and you need to be looking at your website traffic consistently to really understand what's going on your site, who's going where, what are they doing, how they come in there, how they found you. There's a lot of information that's so important that's going to help you improve your website as you move forward. This is not a game of build a website and then it just goes and it does wonders for you. It's a game of building it slowly and making it better as you go until you reach that point where you have a website that converts at a very high level. And there are things you can do immediately to get it to convert at a high level. But use your analytics. If you need some marketing advice, local search marketing, pro website design, if you want to create a demo video, whatever it is, we specialize in those four things right there to bring more traffic to your website and get more visitors into you and help you make more money. So call us now at 508-864-3139. Speak with a professional. We'll help you out, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk to you soon.